Almost ready. Is everyone coming, Shellington?
Nearly everyone, Captain. But I spot one creature hiding near the rocks.
I can't go to the party. I look so boring. It's a decorator crab, Captain. They usually cover themselves in seaweed to hide.
Precisely. But this one seems to want a costume, not camouflage.
A guest in distress? Octonauts, we have a fashion emergency to solve.
Yeah! I'll help him find some pirate treasure to wear.
Sound the Octo Alert!
Gup-E is ready to sparkle, Captain.
Octonauts, launch!
I'm right behind you in the Gup-E, Captain.
Keep your eyes peeled for that rock formation, Kwazii.
Hi, Captain. Nothing but sand so far.
This part of the reef is very bare. No wonder he can't find decorations.
Aha! There he is, hiding under that slate.
This old weed is all I could find. It's so ugly. Don't worry, little crab. We're here to help you get ready.
Look at this shine treasure.
Fit for a pirate king.
It's beautiful. This is exactly what I need.
Oh, that glass looks very heavy for a small crab.
Just one more push.
Whoa!
Help! I'm stuck.
The tide is changing. The current is picking up.
It's the New Year's tide. It's extremely strong tonight. I can't turn over. The glass is too heavy.
Kwazii, back to the Gups! We have to catch him! He's heading for the deep trench!
Captain, the glass creates too much drag. You need to remove it.
Copy that, tweak! Kwazii, get ready with the tow line!
Tiger shark mode activated.
Reverse thrusters! Full power!
You caught me. Look, neon tube sponges. They are light and colorful. Shiver me timbers! Those are perfect for a party.
Snip, snip! Got him! Let's lose this heavy weight. Try these on for size, Mate.
I need to check if his shell is sore from that heavy glass.
This soothing gel will make you feel better. And look, it sparkles. It sticks. And it's so light. Fascinating. You look spectacular.
Good work, Octonauts! Now let's get back to the party!
Just in time for the countdown. Cheers! Chupa chupa!
Look at that outfit!
For the most creative camouflage or costume, the winner is the Decorator Crab!
Thank you, Octonauts. I feel like a star.
Attention, everyone! The countdown is about to begin!
10, 9, 8. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Look at me glow!
Say cheese! Perfect shot!
And now, it's time for the Creature Report!
Creature report! Creature report! They stick things to their shell to hide from predators quite well.
Tiny hooks like Velcro, it's true!
They change their look through and through.
Decorator Crab!
Ha! What a night!
The ocean is full of surprises.
Delicious! Good night, Captain.
Fascinating! These samples are unlike anything I've seen. Oh! The comb jelly migration is right on schedule. Look at those cilia shimmer!
Oh no! Jumping jellyfish!
A massive thermal current is heading straight for the swarm!
Octonauts, to the HQ.
Woo! Yow! What's the emergency, Captain?
Is someone hurt? I'm here.
The comb jellies are being swept toward the barren depths.
The current is moving at 5 knots and increasing.
Comb jellies use cilia to swim, but they aren't strong enough to fight this. We can't let them reach the barren depths. It's too cold.
We'll need the Gup-E for this one, Captain. It's built for heavy currents.
Octonauts, let's get ready for action! To the launch bay!
Gup-E power levels at 100%. She's ready to roll, faster than a narwhal.
Shellington, track the swarm. I'll handle the steering. Shiver me timbers! Gup-E is right behind you! Launch! We're entering the midnight zone. Watch for the lights. There they are! The comb jellies!
They're like floating jewels in the dark.
Here comes the current. It's stronger than I thought. They're being swept away. Kwazii, try to nudge them back. On it, Captain! Preparing the tractor beam! Shiver me timbers! They're moving too fast! Yo! Yo! I'm in a spin! Everything is going! Round, round, and round!
Kwazii, pull out of there! We need a new plan!
Captain, if they hit the barren depths, their cilia will freeze!
Captain, use the Gup-E's heavy frame. It can block the current like a wall.
Great idea, Tweak! Shellington, find the mouth of the current!
Dropping anchor treads!
Shields up! Shield rail 3!
I've got your back, Captain! Anchors away!
It's working! A slipstream of calm water! They're moving into the safety zone!
Oh no! That little one is falling behind!
Don't worry, little fellow. Flap your cilia. I've got you. You're safe now.
They're all here. Every single one. Let's lead them home, Octonauts.
This reef will keep them safe and warm. Look at them go! It's a midnight disco!
Mission accomplished, Octonauts.
Check out my moves! I'm a comb cat!
And so, the Midnight Zone was bright once more.
Time for the Creature Report!
Creature report, comb jellies.
They have 8 rows of tiny hairs called cilia to swim.
They aren't actually jellyfish, so they don't have stingers. And they make their own rainbow light in the dark.
A truly magnificent display of nature's beauty.
Octonauts at ease!
Chupa chupa.
See you on our next mission! The ocean is full of wonder, if you know where to look.
Ready for the next adventure, Cap'n? Smile, everyone! Good night, Octonauts.
There's always more to explore.
Avast! What's that over there?
All bandages ready for the next rescue. Adding comb jelly rainbow to the database.
Chupa chupa! Many wonders still remain hidden in the depths.
Gups are secured and charging.
Mission complete! Ha! Let's learn more about comb jellies. They are part of the ctenophore family. Those combs act like tiny oars to move them through the water. The rainbow isn't a light they make. It's light reflecting off their moving combs.
Remember, they don't sting, so they are very gentle creatures.
Protecting every creature helps keep the ocean healthy.
Explore! Rescue! Protect!
See you next time!
End of mission.